Hello. Hello, Chris. Go away.
This is my sister and my dogs, and there is no space for me in the vlog.
My sister.
My sister's name is Isabel.
Iska. Yes.
Or
And-
Isabella. Iska.
Yes, I've got a name tag because I got a very, very beautiful quote from my sister's mother-in-law.
Sue.
Sue. Hello, Sue. It was for me. It was made for me, especially for me. I've never got one.
Brian likes it.
This is the first time in my life. Yes, Brian likes it. I like it even more. I'm taking it back home and I'm not giving it anyone else. No. Go away. Go away.
Just to remind you that this is my
Sue,
my
thank
vlog.
you. Thank you very much, Sue. I do appreciate it. And I know how much you cared about it because it's made with love. And I'm going to...
words.
And I'm going to use it for a very, very long time. I know where I put it. When I'm back home, I'm going to take a picture of it and I'll send it to my sister who's interrupting.
Good
And I'm not
morning
very-
or good afternoon, good evening, beautiful people.
Hello.
I'm Alex and this is my vlog, Gingerhead and Co. And then Co is here and there is no space for me to sit. This is my sister,
Hi there.
my very bossy sister, and she's got this wonderful quilt. And I'm not jealous at all.
Right.
She's made it.
Yeah, that's mine.
And I thought
Okay.
she would have forgotten to take it home, but I don't
No,
think she
I
will.
Not. I will not. I've already packed it. Done. Ticked. And
And
my
I've got
sister-
some stuff as well, and I wanted to
My
show you, but
sister-
there is no space for me to sit here.
my sister asked me to take part in her vlog.
I'd
Sorry.
bagged her.
But I'm very unexperienced, and she also told me to put on some of the clothes that she made for me, which
This
I
is
love.
Paola Turtleneck by Named Clothing.
And the
And
skirt.
this is a skirt that I forgot.
Jesus.
It's, I think, it's New Look something.
This is the skirt.
I'll put the number in.
This is me. Hi. And probably I'll be changing my clothes while vlogging. Oh,
Well, I wanted to show you
Talking.
what my sister has brought with her in her suitcase because she's my fabric mule, but it's over there. And also my Christmas present, well, some of my Christmas fabric. So the wonderful Sue, my mother-in-law, the best mother-in-law in the world, she wrapped her presents in fabric this year. And look. And this is not even mine, this is my sister's. But my sister said that she wanted a skirt. This sister, I only have one sister, this sister, this sister.
this is nice.
Wants a skirt.
Octopus.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Oh, they're tigers.
Leopards.
Well, big cats. Upside down.
As you can probably guess, my sister doesn't really know much about zoology. And this is a dog. You can't see the dog. So anyway, she has wrapped her presents in the most wonderful fabrics. And my sister wants a skirt because that's her fabric.
Oh, that's mine.
So I'm going to make that into a skirt for my sister. But I've got my own, and it really kind of looks very William Morrissey, like. Is it upside down? No. Can you see the colours? So it's cotton. It's quilting cotton. Gorgeous. It is gorgeous, and it is not going to be made into something for my sister. The camera is here.
Oh, sorry. Hello.
By the way, we are recording on my newest present from my sister, because my sister obviously got me a lot of presents. That's just the style of my sister. I also got some cuffs And I got some French terry, a lot of French terry. And the French terry from Sue, can you guess? It's Liberty. It's gorgeous. I love it.
I'll change.
Look.
And I'll be back.
And she's brought me a lot of Bada magazine issues from Poland, but I haven't got them here, so I'll probably talk about them a bit later. And I've got a lot of ribbing as well, so I brought some here, but that's green, and that's sort of orangey, rusty colour. So all of that was smuggled by my sister, not really smuggled. She has filled her, she filled her suitcases with fabric and ribbing and everything else when she came here, and she's going to get some clothes made for her in exchange for her services as a mule. So I've got the ribbing, I've got more ribbing, but I don't know. That's going to be for her chubby, and there are bisons. Right? And it's French terry. It's gorgeous. And I bought that to go with it because they're the same colour, and I hope they look the same colour. It's French terry as well, the same weight. Like that. So if you remember French terry, because of the loops at the back, and it's marvellous. I love it, love it. Then I've got the jellyfish. Yep. She's gone. She's going to change probably. French terry as well. Look, loads of space for me now. And that's going to be for her chubby as well. I think it's going to be, well, a top of some sort. And I've got two colorways. This one is like blacks and greys, and it's also French terry, so loop back. See? And the other colorway, she's here. My sister's back. That's navy, but it's the same print, and it's also French terry. It's 240 grams per meter. And then the leopard. Don't move the light. The leopard, French terry. And a lot of plain French terries. A lot of plain French terries because I like colour blocking. As you know, I'm not going to show you all of them, just the colours.
Should I take my shoes off?
Whatever you want. She's back. She's going to show you another skirt. My sister is back in another skirt. We're on the sofa. That's... yeah, she got it from me for Christmas. Skirt number 2.
Yeah, that's plenty.
Still Paola turtleneck and ready to wear jacket. And some cuffs. My sister again in another skirt. I like this one. Works quite well. I don't think my dog appreciates being stepped on. Right, so this is my sister. You asked for her. I don't think it was a good idea to ask for my sister, but here you go. This is my sister.
Got what you asked for.
Right. Do you want to say anything more? Do you want to say how wonderful your sister is?
Nah.
She only has one sister. She's got a wonderful sister from what I've heard.
Ah.
And her wonderful sister can sew really well. She's
Well,
really
that is
talented.
true. This one
She's
is true.
really tall and pretty. And she's the
Young and
bestest sister in the world, her sister. She would have said that, but her English is no good. Her
No,
English
no.
is no
Not good
English here. but she thought that, and I translated her thoughts.
Yeah,
Right.
that's right. Yeah, my
Okay.
English is not good enough. Do you
to
want to say,
participate in the vlog.
do you want to say goodbye?
Well, no, what do you want to say?
Well, I can say whatever you like. Well,
Oh, my sister Alex is so gorgeous.
oh well, goodbye.